She slips into the night, silent as a ghost. The shadows whisper tales of what she loved the most. Eyes like burning embers, glowing in the dark. She is chasing freedom, leaving behind her mark. Thought he knew her name, thought he had her figured out, but she is a mystery wrapped in a swirling doubt. Luring with her charm, a siren on the prowl. Beware the warning signs beneath her velvet frown. In the city lights she moves like a flame, a restless spirit playing a dangerous game. No one can hold her, no one can tame her fire. She is a wild desire, fueled by her own wire. She is dancing on the edge, never looking back. A fleeting flicker in the midnight black. Temptations whisper, calling out her name. A fleeting shadow, wild and untamed. Men fall for her smile, fools before the dawn. But she is a fleeting dream, gone before they are gone. No one is forever in her world of chaos. She is the midnight muse, her own boss. She has got a secret buried deep inside, a broken past she hides with pride. But in her heart she craves the light, longing for love, lost in the night. She is chasing dawn, leaving darkness behind. A fleeting moment of peace she is trying to find, but the night always calls her back again to the wild unknown, her only friend. Beware the girl with the restless soul. She is a story that has never been told. She is the fire burning in the rain, a fleeting shadow, born of In her eyes there is 1,000 stories untamed, a life of freedom, wild and unclaimed. She is a mystery, a fleeting spark, lighting up the night, leaving her mark.